Alright, welcome to this session of blog creation on smartphone, and in this video we're going to be learning about the app Blogger, the Blogger app. So we're going to be checking the interface of the Blogger app. So you can find the Blogger app on your Play Store or Apple Store. So this is how it looks like. So let us launch the app right here. The Blogger app is just the application, mobile application of the blogger.com website. So this is what you get when you launch the app, and you are going to sign in with Google, having created your account on the blogger.com website. So before you use this Blogger app, you have to create your account first on the blogger.com website. If you have done that, you can proceed to downloading the application. So I'm going to log in with the Gmail I used to create my blog, which is the Academy's mail, C-Rhox Digital Academy at gmail.com. So it will load the interface for us right now, and then I would be explaining some things on the interface. So basically what you can use this Blogger app for is that you can use it to create posts, publish posts, and all. So instead of having to go to the website, so it creates like a more user-friendly interface for you here to create a post and launch and publish your post. And okay, let us start from this side here. On the top, at the top left corner, at the top left corner of your screen, if you have more than one blog that you've created, if you've created more than one blog, then you can click on this drop down. Can you see I have 3 blogs here? You can easily switch between the blogs that you want to edit a post in, or you want to edit some things in. So you can see this is one of the blogs, I've created. So you see that there are some published posts in this blog, and in this video you're going to be learning how to create this kind of posts. So let us go to CDA sample blog, which is the demo blog we would be using to for the sake of this blog creation on smartphone course. And so we have 3 tabs. The next thing we're going to move to, okay, before we move to the tabs that we have here, we have something around this place. So in case you want to switch between your accounts, let's say you have different Gmail accounts for different blogs, you can have more than one blog. It is good, it is not bad. So you can click right on it. You can see some settings here. You can see view your blog. You can see some things here. View your blog, settings, about blogger, help and feedback, sign out of blogger. So if you click on the accounts right here, if you click on these accounts right here, if you click right here, if you click on it, it is going to give you the accounts bundle center so that you can switch between your accounts. But we're not switching between our accounts in this video. And then the next thing we're going to move to are the tabs that we have below, right below this drop down of the blogs. So we have the published, we have the draft, sorry, and we have the scheduled. Okay, if you can see it very well, let me draw it out again. You can see it. I'll just point an arrow at them one by one. You can see the published, the drafts, and the scheduled. So the published, that's where you see where all your posts that you've published, all the published posts. As you can see here, we do not have any current published post here, so no published post published to your blog will show up here. So let us navigate to the drafts. So draft, if you don't want to publish a post yet, let's say you still want to edit some things, or you just want to have the posts written down or noted down on your blogger app, you don't want to post it yet, you can just um, save it as a draft. So I have a draft here, which is I titled it first post. So I just have it here. Can you see? If I'm ready to publish it, actually there is nothing inside this post, so I can discard it. And the last one is scheduled. If you have a post that you want to post on a particular day, let's say probably you are launching a product, you have a blog and you're launching a product, and you want to schedule a post to post that blog post about the product that you want to launch on a particular day, you can schedule it under this. You can find the post that you've scheduled under the scheduled post here. So let us go to the published. That is where we are going to start from. and then under the published you can see the edit floating action tab here. Sorry, floating action button, the fab. You can see the edit fab here. It's down here. The draw tool is going to cover it, but you can still see it down here right below this toolbar. So you can just click right on it, and then can you see it will take you to the post creation page, and then you can simply edit some basic things here, which is the title. Let's say first first post, the first post. So you can click on start creating your post. Then you can start creating your post from here. And if you notice, you would see that there are some tools down here. There are some tools down here, so I'll be explaining what each tool is. So because of this toolbar here, you might not be able to see some tools, so I'll just mark them out. This is the camera. If you want to upload a picture and you just want to snap it, let's say you want to make a post about your pet dog, and you just want to take the picture of the pet dog and just put it in the add it to the post right away, you can just use this camera tool. This is gallery. You can pick pictures or images from your gallery. This is the bold tool to bolden your text. This is the italics. This is the underline. This is the linkify. I'm going to explain everything. So for this camera, let us write a post. Let's say this is just a sample post. Alright, this is just a sample post. Then we can click on this camera down here to take a picture. Sorry. So click on allow. So I'm going to take a picture right now and come back. Okay, let me just take a picture and be back. Okay, so I might want to talk about this pod here. Then I can want to snap it. So I can put a piece. Okay, so then I'm going to mark it, and then it is going to be added to my post as a picture in a post. So it has been added to my post, and then you can see it here. We made a mistake. This is just a sample. I can edit it by just clicking on it here. I wanted to write sample. Sorry. E, not W. Alright. So this is just a sample post. And then for me to launch it, or before I launch it, I can still write some things under this picture. I will just click right at the end of this picture over here, and then enter. When I click enter, it's going to, let me click right at the end of this picture and then click on enter. Can you see? So I'm talking about this AirPod. The name of this AirPod is okay, i7 TWS. Yes, that's the name. i7 TWS. It's of a medium length, and it's very comfortable to wear. All right, then we can include some special features, or let me say the features it has generally. So the features or characteristics, the features, let's say the features. Now these features as a as a subtopic, we are supposed to bolden it a little bit. Then if you want to bolden this text, then you're going to highlight it by double clicking on the first word or from where you want to highlight. So you're going to double click on it. It brings this highlight cover, and then you're going to highlight it. Sorry, it's blocking here. Okay, features, and then you're going to click on bold down here. And if we want to underline it too, we're just going to click on underline. Can you see everything here? Then we're going to enter and continue writing. So you can use it to receive a call, you can use it to play music, strong bars. Okay, it applied these features already, so we're just going to highlight these ones too, and then we're going to remove the style that we gave to them, which is the bold and the underline, so that they are just normal. And then we can move down to strong bars. You can use it to receive a call, call call receiver, receiver, call receiver. What else can these airports be used for? What again? Okay, let us just leave it as this too, and then let's try to add a link. So click the link below to get your own. Click the link below to get your own today. And we can add something like up, a hand pointing down, an emoji of finger pointing down, and then move to the next line. So we'll move to the next line. Okay, so on the next line we can just say okay, let's say HTTPS. This is the link address for a link, HTTPS column forward slash forward slash. Then what link can we use? What I'm thinking of the link, the URL that we can use. Okay, let me use my WhatsApp URL, what.me forward slash 234702655688. So, and then the person can click on this link now. Now let us try this Linkify tool down here. Now this is the text it is going to show. This Linkify, what it's used for is that if you don't want to like let everybody know the link address, instead you just want them to click a particular text and then take them to an address. So I can copy this link now. I can cut, and then after cutting, instead of click the link below to get your own today, I can just use buy now. Do you get it? So I would click on this linkify to create a text that is that's it, a link that is embedded in a title or in a text. Do you get it? So I'm going to erase this, click the link, blah blah blah. So I'm going to click on this link icon, and then the text I'm going to write buy now, and then the link in it would be this, add link. Can you see it's already portrayed it as a link? So after editing your post, you can just click on this right here to publish it, this mark icon to publish to publish your post. So, and then we have two icons at the top right corner of our screen here. We have this one which you can use to publish it, and the menu icon where you can get um some other tools or options. So we have save as draft or discard, but we are publishing it. If you want to save it as draft, I already told you where the draft would show. So let me click on publish. This will publish to your post to cdasampleblog.blogspot.com. You click on publish, so it will publish your post. It is publishing the post. It is publishing the post. While it publishes, let us take a brief look at the scheduled. Okay, you know what draft is used for, right? You can just save your post as draft if you're not yet ready to publish it. And let us check what scheduled has for us. You can click on this edit icon. Okay, let's check this. Okay, we do not have a title again. Blog post. Let us use blog post as the title. Okay, for these labels. Okay, I forgot to talk about. Okay, a post can actually be scheduled. You see, publish now. Yeah, it is under this option. You see that there is a box here. There is a box of options, or what do I call it? Where there is a switch that I can toggle. If you want to publish the post now, you can toggle it on. If you're not ready to publish it now, you can toggle it off. Then you can see publish at blah blah blah. When should we publish it? What is today's date? May 10. Let us publish it May 11. Let's say May 15. If we are to publish it May 15, by what time? Can you see? You can set it, let's say, to 2:30 p.m. 2:30 a.m. Okay, let's say 2:30 a.m. Then the name of the title of the post, scheduled post hyphen cda sample post. So what the post is all about, this is just a scheduled post. This is just a scheduled post. Then I'm going to mark it and then set it to publish. This will publish your post to cdasampleblog.blogspot.com at May 15, 2023, 2:30 a.m. Yes, then you click on publish. It is saving it. Now let us check under our published posts. So this is just how your post is going to get published because of the traffic and the network issues. So the posts might still take a long time to publish, but it is definitely going to publish. And so after, okay, retry unable to save, and after publishing the post, you can check your published posts on your website by inputting the URL, that is cdasampleblog.blogspot.com. That will be the URL of this website. That is the URL of this blog that we are creating. You will have your own unique URL, right? So this is just how to do this. You see, okay, unsaved changes. It is because of the network. So it is still going to save it and then publish it at the time we set already. So that is how to schedule a post using Blogger app, and schedule a post on your blog site if you're not ready to post it at the moment. You just want to take a while, or you want to set a time for it to post. So the logic is that it is going to post it, it is going to publish it already, but it is not going to reflect on your site. So exactly that time that you scheduled, it is going to make it the back end is going to make it to reflect on your website, so you can see it on your, sorry, on your blog, rather on your blog site. You can see it on your blog site immediately. It's time you set it to, immediately it's the time you set it to. Alright, that will be all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye for now.